Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank y'all so much for being here. I really appreciate it as always. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to achieve this really easy, super quick, vampy Halloween tutorial. It took me literally 20 minutes to achieve this look. And the good thing about this look is you don't have to spend a lot of time on it. I was a mom with very young kids trying to get home from work at a reasonable time to take my kids trick-or-treating, and I wanted to dress up and I wanted to get the kids ready, and there was never any time to do both. So this is a really easy tutorial. It's going to take you just a few minutes to get everything on. It's very slapstick and you can really take it over the edge with just your accessories. What originally gave me the idea to do this was this really beautiful feather choker that I found on Amazon a couple days ago. So I ordered it immediately and it just came in yesterday, and it is absolutely beautiful. It has these really pretty like oil slick colors to it. Whenever I put it on, it looks like I have a floating head. So it doesn't look good on me on camera, but I'm going to show you what it looks like anyway. And you really don't have to dress it up too much because this can be more of the outfit. And it has an adjustable buckle on the back, so if you have a larger neck, it doesn't matter. But this is what it looks like. You wear your hair up in a bun, or you can wear it down, and you can pair it with really cool rings. You can pair it with really cool earrings and just like a black leotard, and you are good to go. But anyway, I'm going to include the link to this necklace down in the description box below if y'all are interested. It is gorgeous. You can also get really big shoulder pads. They have so many different things. It's like a whole chest crest, and it's full of feathers. It's gorgeous, glorious. If you go into a costume party, you can knock them dead. So if y'all are interested in seeing how I achieve this really cool, really quick smoky eye, then please keep on watching. So to prevent this video from being like 5,000 hours long, I went ahead and took care of my base first. I went in with the Watts Beauty 100% Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Y'all know, if you've been watching my channel for a long time, I use this in every single video. I use it every single time I apply my makeup. I love it so much. In fact, I'm running low. I need to repurchase this. For my foundation, I went in with the L'Oreal Pro Glow. This is the shade 202. Normally, I'll mix 202 and 205 together to get the right custom shade for me. But since I'm going for a Halloween kind of a cosplay look, I want it to be a little bit paler, a little bit more ghostly. So 202 was the right one for me. For the concealer, I went ahead and went in with the Maybelline Fit Me in shade number 5. This is shade Ivory, and this has good enough coverage for what I needed. But for the light reflection, I went in with the Clinique Airbrush Concealer, and this is, once again, a holy grail. Whenever I was a makeup artist, this was always in my kit. They have lots of different shades. Well, I think they have like 5 shades. But it's very sheer, but it really reflects the light perfectly, especially for pictures. And if you are doing Halloween or costume or cosplay, you're going to be taking a lot of pictures. For my really light contour look, I wanted to go in with the Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye Palette, and I just used this shade right here. This is the shade in Lazarus, and this is a really good shade if you are light skinned like I am, or you're going for a really light contour look because you have a really light foundation. And then for bronzer, I went in with this Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and that is what it looks like. It's very light, but it does the job very well. Finally, to melt everything together and make everything very seamless, I went in with several spritzes of the Smashbox Primer Water. So now finally we're on to the eyes, and this is my most favorite part. For the transition shade, I'm going to be going in with this NYX Love Contours All palette. This is a phenomenal palette. If y'all have not seen this on my channel, I think I showed this in one video a while back. If I can find it, I'll link it up here somewhere. But this is my all-time favorite travel palette. It has everything you need. It's got bronzer, highlight. It's got bronzer for lighter skins, bronzer for darker skins, highlight for darker skins. It's got brows right here, and then you can do all types of eye looks with these colors here, or you can use all of the shades for eye looks. It's just really good, y'all. To get the perfect transition shade that I'm looking for in this look, I'm going to be taking a mixture of this shade right here, which is kind of a light tone bronzer, and I'm going to mix it a little with that dark tone bronzer. And I'm going to deposit that color right there between the crease and the brow bone. Just a quick tip, if you want your eyes to appear really wide and long, you're going to want to take any residuals that you have on your brush, and you can bring it into the inner corner right here, just kind of touching the bridge of the nose. And then you could also blow out the shadow right here, kind of going into your temples. That really will create an illusion that makes your eyes look super, super wide. It doesn't have to be Halloween. I would definitely choose transition shades that are more on the natural side. So a lighter brown if you have darker skin, kind of something that is closer to your skin tone, maybe a few shades lighter. And it's just going to create those new shadows that wasn't there before. So now we're going to be moving on to the smoky eye portion of the video. And for that, I'm going to be going in with this IT Cosmetics. This is their Liner Love Waterproof Anti-Aging Cream Gel Eyeliner. And this is in the shade Graphite. And it's this gorgeous, like gunmetal, kind of reflective black color. And it is so, so pretty. It's waterproof, it sets, and a little bit goes a long way. So I'm going to be taking it on the back of my finger here. And I'm just going to push it into the lash line, into all of this area here, the mobile lid. Don't worry about if you make a mess. And we're going to take it all the way up into the transition shade. Since we're doing a Halloween look, I'm not really worried about the edges too much. I'm just sort of going in there a little haphazardly. Edges don't have to be perfect. You just kind of want it down. And once it's down, since it sets, it's waterproof, it is not going anywhere. And just to ground that black a little bit, I'm going to go in with this Shaanuxo, the Remix palette. This is from BH Cosmetics. And I'm going to take this shade Need You, and I'm just adding it right above that black. Make it not look so messy, because I mean, it's pretty dang old messy. So really quickly for the lower waterline and lash line, I went in with this Esquito gel eyeliner in black. This is a fantastic gel eyeliner. It is waterproof and it really stays put in the waterline and the tight line. If you're interested in that, I will leave a link down in the description box below. And then to keep the lower lash line from looking too harsh, I went in with this Shaanuxo, the Remix palette, and I used this shade right here. This is the shade Terracotta, and I just blew it out with the same brush. This is that Amazon brush that I was telling you about a little while ago. If y'all are interested in this, I will leave a link down in the description box below. This was like $1 and it is a very good brush. So now I want to take this eye look to the next level. And for that, I'm going to be taking this Sugar Pill Loose Eyeshadow. This is in the shade Stella, and it is this glorious black glitter. It's got rainbow goodness all up in it, and I am totally in love with it. And just for shits and giggles, I'm going to go in with this Black and Gold Sparkle Reflex. I got this a long time ago, and I'm just going to push it into the lid. For mascara, I'm going to be going in with the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. This is in the shade Blackest Black. And y'all know this is my holy grail. Love it so much. And then for a really pretty flush in the cheeks, I'm going to be going in with this MAC Cosmetics. This is their Magic Dust Powder in the shade Sweet Visions. And this is a gorgeous shade. I'm just taking it right at the top of the cheekbones. Since I used that really pretty shimmery blush, I'm not going to go in with a powder highlight or a highlight on my cheekbones. I think it'd be a little bit of overkill, but I am going to highlight the center of my face a little bit. And for that, I'm going to be using this Carity palette. This is their highlight in pink, and my favorite shade is this one right here. This is in the shade Ravish, and I just like to put it right there on the center of my eyes and then about halfway down my nose. This is a blinding highlight. It's not glittery at all, but it just adds a really pretty shine to the face. Then I'm going to add a little bit on my Cupid's bow right here, and then a little on my chin. For the lips, I want to keep it really natural. I mean, you can go as hardcore as you want, balls to the walls. You can wear black, you can wear like purple. Because the eyes are so big and bold and overpowering, I want to go in with a really nude lip. So for that, I'm going to be using the Boots No. 7. This is in the shade 20. Is that right? Yeah, 20 Nude. And this is a Lisa Eldridge design shade. Back in the day, whenever she was creative director for Boots No. 7. And to be honest, I really don't use this that much because it has something in it that makes me break out. So I'll get those little painful pimples around my lips, and it's just no bueno. And just over top of that lip liner, I apply the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink, and this is in the shade Seductress, which is exactly the same shade. So it is a dupe for the Boost No. 7 nude shade. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this vampy Halloween smoky eye. I hope y'all found this video helpful and enjoyable. If you did, please give it a like and a subscribe. You know your girl would appreciate it. Also, if you haven't already, please follow me on Instagram and other social media outlets. It is You Happy Beauty everywhere, and I'm going to include a link down in the description box below. I do lots of different looks, lots of different beauty looks. I do fashion, lots of different things you might be interested in, so please check me out there. So once again, thank y'all so much for watching. I always appreciate it, and I'll be seeing y'all very, very soon. Bye.